Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to monitor unknown devices. Glasswire is a Windows network monitoring and security application that shows all activity on your network in real time. Unlike standard routers, the software it only shows which apps are using your internet but also identifies all the devices connected to your Wi-Fi network. This means you can spot any unauthorized or unknown devices trying to use a network. So first what you can do is, in order to monitor, you need to go to your Glasswire app, and over here launch your Glasswire on your Windows PC. Make sure your computer is connected to your Wi-Fi network. And at the top of the Glasswire interface, you can go to this log analysis here. This tab lists all the devices that have connected to a network. Devices are represented by the icons such as computer, phones, smart TVs, or other network devices. In order to do that, you need to upgrade to see the unlimited alert history as well. Glasswire makes monitoring your Wi-Fi network simple and visual by using the tab, and you can see all the devices connected, spot unknown intruders instantly, and take action to secure your network. And it's a powerful tool for anyone who wants to control over their Wi-Fi security. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.